2026, proof your money. Traditional finance is failing you. Banks offer near zero interest on savings, while inflation erodes your savings. 5 cutting-edge strategies. Future-proof your finances with these powerful DeFi approaches. That's decentralized bank. 1. DeFi staking. 2. Smart contract insurance. 3. Multi-chain diversification. 4. Yield optimization. 5. Self-custody solutions. How to get started. Ready to future-proof your finances? Follow these 3 essential steps to begin your DeFi journey safely and strategically. Set up secure wallets. Choose reputable hardware or software wallets to protect your digital assets. Research DeFi protocols. Study different protocols, read audits, and understand the risks before investing. Start small and scale. Begin with small amounts, learn the ecosystem, then gradually increase your positions. DeFi growth metrics. Total value locked, TVL, in DeFi protocols has grown exponentially, outpacing traditional finance adoption rates. Band A, Band B, and Band C are shown on the diagram there, and the respective positions from 2019 through to 2022. You show there's a gradual increase in trending towards DeFi on all 3 bands. 3 pillars of DeFi. Decentralization involves no middlemen. Transparency, because there's on-chain blockchain verification. And accessibility, 24/7 global access. Managing DeFi risks. Smart investing requires smart protection. Always verify smart contract audits, diversify across multiple protocols, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. These fundamentals keep your portfolio secure. Thank you for listening to this presentation. Subscribe for more cutting-edge financial strategies. Check the description for your free DeFi starter guide. For more information, call Alan, that's me, on 07539 141 257. From outside the UK, that's +44 7539 141 257. You can schedule a call with Alan on calendly.com/AlanJE, or you can email alan@alpusonline.com, alpusonlineai.com.